Hello, good morning to all. Myself Shruti Karvari and my research topic name is role of health staff in COVID-19 situation. So basically, what is meaning of role of health staff in COVID-19 situation? So in this research paper we have given short introduction about COVID-19 pandemic, okay, and then role of health staff means actually what doctors and nurses do for their duties in this situation, okay. So then is abstract. Next is in this research paper we have given introduction to COVID-19 situation, then role of health staff on that, and also we have focused some issues they have to challenge. Okay. Then introduction. The COVID-19 pandemic also called as coronavirus pandemic, and it is ongoing global pandemic of coronavirus in 2019. The virus spread primarily actually secretion of mouth and nose. It can't travel long distance, but still it's spreading from nose and mouth secretion. So that's why our government saying to to maintain the social distancing, and we are in completely lockdown in 3 to 4 months, but our doctors actually doing their duty, and they are doing so many work for uh, to avoid the damage of this pandemic situation. Then role of state. As India fighting the COVID-19 crisis with national-wide lockdown, doctors and healthcare workers are working day and night. So in lockdown, we are completely staying at home, but doctors are working day to night. Then it is not possible to wear PPE kit for more than 7 hours. One cannot even use the toilet with this kit, but wearing it is a must for our safety. Actually, doctors can't go to toilet in PPE kit, but actually they are doing their duties. Worldwide, as a million of people stay at home to minimize the transmission, then healthcare workers prepare due to exact opposite. They are actually doing opposite. They are going clinics, checking patient through online, video conferencing, phone conferencing. Then they will go to clinics and hospital, putting themselves high risk from COVID-19. Actually, they have also have parents. They also have children, but still they are doing their duties. Then we are discussing few challenges of health worker, like lack of resource, no breaks, no fan and no AC. Lack of resource means in starting there is no PPE kit for doctors, because in China the coronavirus increases too fast. So doctors don't have any idea about symptoms and what precautions they have to take. Coronavirus actually come in India is too late, so we have to aware of that what is the symptoms of coronavirus and how to take precautions on that. But in China they don't have that idea, so young doctors are died in that situation, so they don't have their PPE kit. In India also our doctors have PPE kit in starting, but then uh, still today we are don't have that PPE kit in some areas, but doctors are working for this pandemic situation to avoid this pandemic. Then second challenges is no break. Their doctors are working day to night. They don't have they don't do not taking breaks. Then third challenge is no fan or no AC. Actually, doctors are doing a work day to night, and they don't use fan or AC. Actually, they are going home to home for checking temperature of people for this pandemic situation. Thank you.